Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, let's start with these cards first. We have Five of Moons, Ten of Moon in reverse, and Fortitude in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are maybe seeing some situation, you are in some kind of difficulty, you are unable to handle some kind of worry or anxiety you have. So you are anxious about something, maybe you are expecting certain things to reach you, certain results to reach you maybe, and you are quite anxious, you don't know how things will go or what will happen and how your situation will unfold. So maybe for some of you it may be something to do in your work regarding some projects, or it may be some work related expectation and you are absolutely worried about that. Lot of anxiety over the results or some expected communication, whatever it is. Or it may be in your personal life, someone in your circumstance, they may be having some illness and you are worried about that. You don't know how things will go or what will happen to this person. So you are suffering. You are, suffering maybe emotionally, psychologically, a lot of stress or anxiety today, guys, Virgos, over something. Maybe an illness of this person, or it may be a work related anxiety you have today. And also, I see in your situation, you are irritated, maybe, guys. Maybe this situation is the outcome of some arguments or fights you had, and you are regretting that today, guys. Maybe it may be your energy or this person's energy. Maybe they are regretting what they spoke or what they did, and the circumstances that unfolded between you both. So they are unable to come towards you and they are anxious what will be your reaction or how things will go hereafter. So some kind of worries because of the way things have happened, and they are maybe sorry emotionally. But let's see what is the card. Are they ready to come towards you, Virgos? So it is Nine of Suns in reverse. So with this card, it looks like this person is not yet ready. Maybe they are not willing to come towards you to patch up things. Maybe they need some more time, guys. And something is holding them back from coming towards you. Maybe some kind of obstacles. Maybe someone is advising them otherwise. Maybe they are telling them that you need to apologize to them first before they are coming towards you. So some kind of obstacles are there for them to come towards you, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Burning Tower in reverse, guys. So even in your work situation, Virgos, you may see some obstacles coming in the way of your the completion of your work. But however hard you try or whatever you do, you may see things going as it is destined to go, guys, and there is no way of changing it. But it may not last long, guys. You need not worry, and these changes are necessary to bring a positive outcome in your career situation, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Pesartin Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard maybe to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you. And this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are. And you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are. And this may be the time, the right time, your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition. And you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And Your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.